Thinking is one type of pleasure. I remember how I used to like to retire for a day to reflect on life. For me, it was like a breath of air amid the hustle and bustle of disappointment. This is how I rested. Well, that's what I didn't know before. Thinking about what was good and how beautiful it would be, I get artificial pleasure. It's like sweets with sweetener, it's kind of sweet, but no sugar. My whole life turns into a deception. I live in memories of the past and dreams of the future, but in the present I just don't. I remember my sister Kelly, dieting and savoring another dried fruit, said thoughtfully and disappointed, how I did not try to imagine, but it's not chocolate. We almost fell laughing back then, and now I realize that most of my life has been self-deception. I dreamed of chocolate and ate dried fruits. You know that when we think we experience negative emotions, such as regrets, disappointments, unjustified hopes, we lose our energy. The paradox is that our thought process works almost always, which means thinking about the past or the future, and not living in the present, and as a result, loss of energy and disappointment in life. Today, the best vacation for me is not thinking, but nonsense, peace of mind, living in the present moment. It turns out that living in harmony is not what we should strive for, but how we should live. This is what has always been and will always be ours. We just forgot about it. Maybe it's time to remember.